will start.
Two-wheel drive, short course, amen. Oh, Chris almost takes it in the start. Jay, Chris, Brian, Joe, and Steve. Oh no.
There you go, Chris. There you go.
First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Oh, and Todd and Brian get into it. Couldn't do nothing about it. So first and second got a huge lead right now. It's Jay and Chris. Jay's sliding out a little bit. Chris right behind him. Joe. 1, 2, and 3 all right there. Good battle for 4th, 5th, and 6th there. Super tight battle. They're going at it. Down the back straight. Battle for 1st and 2nd. Both here in the frame right now. 1st and 2nd. Jay and Chris. Jay driving the Associated. Chris, I think, still driving a low seat. I don't know. Oh, Joe's getting some time back. 3rd, 4th, 5th. There's 3rd place, there's 1st place. Jay Drakeford getting a little squirrely, can't quite get it laid down. Still a really tight battle for that 1st position. Joe's look like he's gaining a lot of time on it. There's 4th, Todd's in 5th, 6th, and 7th. So, back to the lead. Jay out front, 4 minutes to go. Chris still same spot in the frame. Oh, when he gets hung up. Dang. Joe up in the 2nd, close battle now for 2nd place.
That's the white.
Great sportsmanship. Uh-oh. 2, 3, and 4. Joe, Chris, and Todd. Close battle now. Here it goes. Oh, Joe ties it up. Chris tries to make it to the inside and puts it down. Todd gives him a little help. Joe off the track. Joe and Chris battling up for 2nd. Todd helped Chris out, marshaled him for him. Oh, inside, outside, inside, outside. All 3, 1, 2, 3. Jay, Joe, and Chris. Chris is a little faster. He's just got to put it in. Uh-oh. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Todd is ripping. Todd caught right back up to these guys. Oh, Chris had to squeeze that throttle. Way to move out of the way and get back in it. That was great sportsmanship. Todd is ripping. Bless. Oh no. Body. That was hard. Uh-oh, battle for the lead. Todd. Oh, and Jay rolls it again. Uh-oh. Todd out front. Checked out, gone. Jay's going to give this one away. Alright, there's Joe and Jay and Chris. Second, third, and fourth. Right now, Todd gone. When Jay rolls it over, he's going to be like 5th place. 4th place. There's second and third, Joe and Chris. Bad time to have a wreck there. Oh no. Second and third's closest battle. Look at that. Joe and Chris. Oh, and Chris gets into the pipe. Jay's going to get around. Marshalling takes a minute. Oh, Jay rolls it over. Dang, this is going to be our battle right here for 3rd position.
You made me stop like 3 times. You guys got 10 seconds.
Dang, 10 seconds.
Blame it on the announcer. 5 seconds. 1.
Joe's done, 2nd spot. Jay's done, Chris is done. Your leader is going to be over here, Todd, taking the win. Victory lap. Your winner, Todd.
Tom, senior, you're done.